Amid political tension over possible action against Pakistan, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge today claimed that Prime Minister Modi cancelled his Kashmir visit last month after receiving intelligence about the threat just days before the Pahalgam attack. Speaking at a rally in Ranchi, Kharge questioned why the centre didn't deploy extra forces despite the intelligence and held the government accountable for security lapses. The BJP party swiftly responded to the statement, with spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla accusing Kharge of echoing pro-Pakistan sentiments and undermining national interest. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma today accused Congress Member of Parliament Gaurav Gogoi of taking 90 Indian youths to Pakistan embassy under false pretenses, claiming they were misled about the nature of the trip. He said the visit meant to be an international exposure program risked radicalizing the youths. Sarma further alleged that Gogoi stayed in Pakistan for 15 days, met a Pakistani army officer without informing the Indian authorities, and raised pro-Pakistani questions in Parliament. He demanded Congress leader Rahul Gandhi clarify whether such visits are allowed. He also accused Gogoi's British wife of having links with Pakistan ISI and hinted at revealing more evidence by September 10. Congress is yet to respond to this statement. The Mizoram Board of School Education MBSC today announced the Highest Secondary School Leaving Certificate HSSLC examination results, recording an overall pass percentage of 81.10%. The results were released at the MBSC office in Chatlang, Aizawl. Among the streams, Science recorded the highest pass rate at 85.63%, followed by Arts at 81.13% and Commerce at 74.42%. A total of 701 students secured distinction, while 3,250 achieved First Division, 3,970 Second Division, and 1,896 Third Division. This year, 1,015 more female candidates appeared for the exams than the males. Ukraine launched an overnight drone strike on Moscow, its second in a row, prompting all four city airports to shut down for several hours. Moscow Mayor Sergei Sobyanin said 19 drones were shot down with no major injuries, though one hit a residential building. Russian Telegram channels reported broken windows with no casualties. The attack comes just before Russia's 80th Victory Day celebration, with President Putin having declared a ceasefire from May 8 to 10. Meanwhile, Ukraine reported a fatal Russian drone strike in Odessa. The 6th FASA Dubai Para Badminton International kicked off today at the Shabab Al Ali Club, with India fielding the largest contingent despite top stars like Krishna Nagar and Sukan Kadam missing. Over 150 para shuttlers from 30 countries are competing. Malaysia Chicks League, who are Paris 2024 champion, leads a strong lineup alongside South Korean and Hong Kong medalists, with China being absent. Contenders like Choi Jung-mung, Kim Jung-jung and Chung Man-kai aim to dominate the podium.